How to install Barclays app on Android. First of all, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Then tap on Source menu in the bottom right corner. In the search bar at the top, type Barclays and hit the search button. Look for the official Barclays app for the search results and tap on it. Next, tap the install button to begin downloading the app onto your device. Wait for the app to download and install. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once installed, tap Open to launch the Barclays app. Now you can log in or register to start managing your Barclays account easily from your Android device. Make sure to keep your app updated to enjoy the latest features and security improvements. Now you know how to install the Barclays app on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.